It is the 3rd of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about oil company profits. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, Liverpool perd 4-2 contre Leeds. Liverpool loses 4-2 against Leeds. Next, Todd Blanche retire un fonds de Trump. Todd Blanche withdraws a fund from Trump. And XAI attaque une loi du Minnesota. XAI attacks a law in Minnesota. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud. Now let us decode it word by word. Chevron, Shell, and ExxonMobil are the 3 company names. It means and annonce means announce or report. Des profits records means record profits. The headline uses the plural marker, des, before the noun phrase. Les compagnies gagnent beaucoup ce trimestre. The companies earn a lot this quarter. Gagner. The verb from today's story shows the present tense of gagner, to earn. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Chevron est fort, pourtant Shell est encore plus forte. Chevron is strong, yet Shell is even stronger. Pourtant, yet is a contrast word, and it joins 2 ideas with a clear difference. More examples in the lesson sheet. Le profit de Shell est très grand. Shell's profit is very large. Profit is the business result word here, and it belongs to the same family as profitable and profitabilité. ExxonMobil gagne 2 fois plus que l'an dernier. ExxonMobil earns twice as much as last year. 2 fois tells us the amount is doubled and the number comes before. Fois. Les bénéfices sont records. The profits are record-breaking. Today's word is bénéfices. Say it with me. Bénéfices. The accent marks help keep the French vowel sounds clear and open. Now for the pattern of the day, gagner. To earn, je gagne. Tu gagnes. Il gagne. Nous gagnons. Vous gagnez. Il gagne. The headline uses the plural form, gagne. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What do the 3 oil companies report? Is it A, des profits records, une nouvelle loi? Or C, un match perdu? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.